The key fob battery in your 2005-2012 Acura RL typically lasts 3 to 5 years. When it weakens, you'll notice reduced range or inconsistent operation of your door locks, trunk release, and panic alarm. Replacing the battery is a simple DIY task, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. Locate the seam on the side or back of your Acura RL key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam. Pry the two halves apart. Be careful not to use excessive force, which can damage the plastic or internal clips. Wearing anti-static gloves is recommended. Once the fob is open, carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery, paying attention to which side is facing up, usually the positive side, marked with a plus symbol on the circuit board. This is crucial for correct installation. Now for installing the new battery. Take your CR2032 battery and insert it into the fob, making sure the positive side is facing up to match the original orientation. Getting the polarity wrong can damage the circuit board. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together securely. Press the lock-unlock buttons to test the fob's functionality. The LED light on the fob should flash, indicating successful operation. Test the range by walking away from the vehicle. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, start by checking that the battery is correctly installed, with the positive side up, and that the contacts are clean. If issues persist, reprogram the fob by turning the ignition to the on position and pressing the lock button. If reprogramming fails, a dealership visit may be required for professional assistance. Avoid using metal tools on the battery terminals to prevent short circuits. If the key fob is damaged, replacement at an Acura dealer can cost between $50 and $150. Consider recycling the old battery at an auto parts store to reduce e-waste. Inspect the circuit board for corrosion during battery replacement. Cleaning with isopropyl alcohol may resolve some issues.